So in this video, we are going to learn how to share new leads from Dante AI to Microsoft Teams. Let's say you're using Dante AI to create your customized AI chatbot, and using this chatbot, you are generating some new leads as well. Now you want that whenever you get a new lead in Dante AI, you want to send the same lead details and notify your team members on Microsoft Teams. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated using the chatbot which we have created using Dante AI, automatically the details of that new lead will be shared as a message on our channel on Microsoft Teams. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Dante AI account, and using Dante AI, I have created an AI chatbot. Now, whenever a user will initiate a conversation with this AI chatbot, it is going to give this form over here in the chatbot. In this form, the user can enter their details and submit it. So using this AI chatbot, we can generate some new leads in Dante AI. Now I want that whenever I generate a new lead using this AI chatbot using this form, I want to notify my team members on Microsoft Teams that a new lead has been generated. And then I want to send the details of the same lead as well. Now to do this, we have to connect our Dante AI account. We have to connect this AI chatbot in Dante AI with Microsoft Teams. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After coming to the Pabbly Connect's dashboard, here we have to create an automation workflow between Dante AI and Microsoft Teams. So we are going to do that, and to do it, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I'll name it as Dante AI to Microsoft Teams. Then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. Now as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Dante AI account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new lead is generated in Dante AI using this AI chatbot, automatically the details of that new lead and these form responses will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that new lead, that form responses, to Microsoft Teams, and we are going to send a message on our Microsoft Teams channel notifying our team members regarding the new lead which we have just now received. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window, in Choose Apps, search for Dante AI and select it. Then after that, here in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select Lead Capture. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Dante AI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our Dante AI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your Dante AI account and from the top bar, go to this Integration section. After coming to the Integrations page, just scroll down and here you can see the API key of your Dante AI account. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting this API key, click on Save. Now when we click on Save, we will see our Dante AI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the knowledge base. So here in my Dante AI account, you can see I have created multiple knowledge bases, multiple AI chatbots over here on different knowledge bases. And you can see a list of all of these knowledge bases inside Pabbly Connect in this dropdown. So out of all of this, the new lead from which particular knowledge base, the new lead from which particular AI chatbot from our Dante AI account we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. We have to select that. So I have this AI chatbot called Website Chatbot. And in this chatbot, I have created this lead form over here. So I want to capture the new leads from this particular chatbot, from this particular knowledge base. So from this dropdown, I'm going to select it. And after selecting it, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it is changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture a new lead from Dante AI, from this AI chatbot which we have created. So let's do it. I'm just going to enter the details of a dummy user, a test user over here. This is the dummy lead. So we are going to enter the email address. Then after that, I'm just going to enter a dummy phone number too. And let me change the country to, for example, India. Then the age is, for example, 24 and city is Delhi. Let's give the consent and click on submit. So in this way, just by entering their details, the user can continue their conversation with this AI chatbot. And after that, as this form is submitted, a new lead is generated in Dante AI. So we will go to our Dante AI account, and from more, we will go to this chat record section. Under chat record, you can see for this particular chatbot, just now today itself, a new conversation is created. We will just click on it and we will click on view data. And here under view data, you can see the details of the same lead which we have created over here. This means just now the details of a new lead is captured inside Dante AI. And because we have connected our Dante AI account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same lead, of the same form submission. You can see the same name, the same mobile number, same email, same city, and the age too. So this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where whenever we are going to receive a new lead from this Dante AI chatbot, from this form in AI chatbot, automatically the details of that lead, details of this form submission will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. And this automation workflow will trigger. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we have to send these details and notify our team members on Microsoft Teams. So for that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose Apps, search for Microsoft Teams. Just select it. After selecting Microsoft Teams, an action event from this drop-down, select the action event as Send Message in a Channel. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Microsoft Teams account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Microsoft Teams button. Then because I have already logged into my Microsoft Teams account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. We will just scroll down and then just give the consent and click on Accept. And as we click on Accept, we will see our Microsoft Teams account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the team. So here in my Microsoft Teams account, you can see on the left side, I have multiple teams over here. And a list of all the teams are here in this drop-down. So it is asking us out of all of these, in which particular team we want to send the message. So here I have a team named as Digital Initiative Public Relations. So here in this particular team, I have created a channel and in that particular channel, I want to send the messages of a new lead which we are receiving and share it with my team members. So from this drop-down, first select the team, and after selecting the team, in the drop-down below, you can see under channels, you can see a list of all the channels. Right now, I have 2 channels in this particular team, and both of the channels can be seen inside Pabbly Connect. So out of all of this, in this particular channel, AI chatbot leads, I want to send the message. So select the channel. After selecting the channel, it is asking us for the message. That what is the message we want to send whenever we receive a new lead in Dante AI. So I want my message to be, hello team. Hello team, we have received a new lead. Name, email, mobile number, city and age. So I want to send this message, and in this message, I'm going to enter the details of the new lead which we have received from Dante AI in this trigger step over here. Now I want to send these trigger responses, these new lead responses from trigger step to this Microsoft Teams action step. And to do this, we will be using a simple process called mapping over here. So here in this message section in front of name, I want to mention the name of the person who has entered the form details. Whatever name the user has entered while making the form submission, I want to mention that particular name. And to do this, just click here, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new lead which we have received from Dante AI. So out of all of these responses, I will be selecting the response of name and map it in front of name. Then after that, here in email, I'll just click here and from the drop down, select and map the response of email. We will be using the same process of mapping for other fields, for phone number, then for city, and also for age over here. In this way, all the details of a new lead which we have captured in Dante AI in Triggers tab, you can send all of these details as a message to your team members on Microsoft Teams. And instead of this basic message, you can basically create any message and map any details of the new lead which we have captured. After creating the message and mapping all the details of your choice, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here with all the details of a new lead which we have received in Dante AI, this message is sent on this channel of Microsoft Teams. So let's check it. We will go to Microsoft Teams, and yes, here you can see on my Microsoft Teams account with the same user whose account I have connected with Pabbly Connect Gary Monroe, the message is sent on this channel. And here you can see the message says, "Hello team, we have received a new lead." And we have the details of the same lead over here, whose details we have added in this lead gen form of our Dante AI chatbot. This means the automation between Dante AI and Microsoft Teams, which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is successfully created and it is working perfectly fine. Now, after setting up this automation, I'm going to test this automation workflow once. Once again, I'll go to my chatbot, I'll just refresh it, and this time I'm going to enter the details of a new user, of a new lead. So I've just started sending a message. Now here what I'm going to do, I'll be entering the details of another user. The name of the person is test user. This is a new email address over here. This is a new mobile number which I'm going to enter. Let me change the country as, for example, the country is once again India. The age is, for example, 30 this time, and the city is, for example, Mumbai. I will just give the consent and click on submit. So as we click on submit, this means in Dante AI, a new lead is generated. The user can continue the conversation with the AI chatbot, but as we receive this form submission, the new lead is generated. And as the new lead is generated, we will see immediately within seconds, the details of this new lead will be sent as a message on our channel in Microsoft Teams. So we'll go to Microsoft Teams, and yes, here you can see immediately, instantly within seconds, a message is sent and my team members are notified. "Hello team, we have received a new lead," and here you can see the details of the exact same new lead which we have just now entered in this form in AI chatbot. This means the automation workflow is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this exact same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.